My respected listeners and dear friends, welcome to my new video. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel. So, let's go to the topic. Today I will talk about Islam and male circumcision. My dear friends, Muslims are still the largest single religious group to circumcise boys. In Islam, circumcision is also known as tahara, meaning purification. Friends, circumcision is not mentioned in the Quran, but it is highlighted in the sunnah. In the sunnah, Muhammad, peace be upon him, stated that circumcision was a law for men. The main reason given for the ritual is cleanliness. It is essential that every Muslim washes before praying. It is important that no urine is left on the body. My respected listeners, Muslims believe the removal of the foreskin makes it easier to keep the penis clean because urine can't get trapped there. Supporters of circumcision also argue that excrements may collect under the foreskin, which may lead to fatal diseases. My dear friends, now I'm telling to you about benefits of circumcision. Like a reduced risk of some sexually transmitted diseases in men. Protection against penile cancer and a lower risk of cervical cancer in female sex partners. Prevention of balanitis. Means inflammation of the glands, and balanopastitis. Means inflammation of the glands and foreskin. Some Muslims see circumcision as a preventive measure against infection and diseases. For the majority of Muslims, circumcision is seen as an introduction to the Islamic faith and a sign of belonging. Let me tell you that in Islam there is no fixed age for circumcision. The age at which it is performed varies depending on family, region, and country. The preferred age is often 7, although some Muslims are circumcised as early as the 7th day after birth and as late as puberty. In some Islamic countries, circumcision is performed after Muslim boys have recited the whole of the Quran from start to finish. In Malaysia, for example, the operation is a puberty rite that separates the boy from childhood and introduces him to adulthood. My dear listeners, circumcisions are usually carried out in a clinic or hospital. The circumciser is not required to be a Muslim, but he must be medically trained. Let's talk about recovery. The penis will be sore and inflamed for a few days after the operation. Ointment may be prescribed to use for a few days to help the area heal. Your child or adult will also need regular pain relief for at least 3 days. They can take paracetamol or ibuprofen following the instructions on the packet or doctors. Put plenty of petroleum jelly, such as Vaseline, on the circumcision area during each diaper change. This will prevent your baby's penis from sticking to the diaper while it heals. Fasten your baby's diapers loosely so that there is less pressure on the penis while it heals. Toddlers may resume normal quiet activities such as walking, climbing stairs, and going outside with supervision. Keep your toddler away from rough play and put straddle toys out of sight for the first week, as they can cause oozing from the incision. You do not need to restrict the activities of babies and newborns. Friends, circumcision is not compulsory in Islam, but it is an important ritual aimed at improving cleanliness. It is strongly encouraged but not enforced. The ritual dates back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. According to tradition, Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born without a foreskin, apathetic. Some Muslims who practice circumcision see it as a way of being like him. Circumcision was also practiced by past prophets. An author of Transcultural Medicine explains, every Muslim is expected to follow the way and the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Therefore, all Muslims, devout, liberals or seculars, observe this ritual. Muslims are obliged to follow not only Allah's message in the Holy Quran but also what the Prophet, peace be upon him, said or did, as proof of their dedication to Islam. Traditionally, adult converts to Islam were encouraged to undergo the operation, but this practice is not universally endorsed, particularly if the procedure poses a health risk. My respected listeners, I hope you like my video. If you want to see an informative topic video, then tell in the comment section. Thank you.